Have you ever felt that writing a video script is so hard and a waste of time? And every time you struggle with writing the perfect script, you wonder if there is anything that can help you to write the script for you. Today we're going to talk about how to write a video script using the help of AI. And at the end of the video, I will show you how to make a YouTube video like this in 10 minutes with the help of AI. So watch to the end. Let's find out how it's done. First, open HitPaw Edimakor. Click AI Copywriting. You can see there are movies and TVs, commercials, relations, cooking tutorials, life stories, travel guides, and custom input for you to choose from. You can try them one by one and find which one you like most. Here I'm going to choose custom input. Before we ask AI to write a script for us, we can ask it to give us some suggested topics for YouTube videos. Here I type, give me 10 niche YouTube video topics about health. And you can see there are some suggested questions at the end of the answer. If you think this answer is not good enough, you can click them to keep asking. Here we're going to find one of the topics that we like most. Now ask it to write a YouTube script about this topic, copy the answer, and paste it into your notepad. Then rewrite it in your notepad so you can make this script better. Okay, after you're done script writing, let's go to create a video. Go to Subtitles, Manual Subtitles, and click Paste Words and Split to Subtitle. Paste our video script here, and check the text-to-speech at the bottom. Now select an AI voice you like, and click Confirm. And now you will have your subtitle and AI voiceover generated immediately. Now let's go to Media, select Pixabay, and in the search box, type in whatever is related to your video, and download the video you want. Drag the video to the timeline, and adjust it a little bit. Now you have created a video in less than 10 minutes with the help of AI. Isn't that great? Okay, if you think this video is helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, you can tell me in the comment section. See you in the next video.